put the flash on. Alright, where are we? We have the fan running in idle mode at 3 volts, which is way too fast, but all I can show you is the idle speed. So I can cut this fan down. There, I went the wrong way. Now it's coming down. You hear the pitch change? 3 volts. 2.5. 2 volts. I keep cranking. This trim pot is for the idle speed. If I keep turning it, it's so slow now. There, it stopped. Okay. Now I can crank it back up. And it has a start rate that irritates the heck out of me. And I don't know, maybe it's this motor. There it goes. I had to go up to 2 volts for it to start. So I'm going to have to figure that out, because if that's a motor dependent thing, I'll get a different motor and try it. This guy over here would start at 1.5 volts. So I'll swap them out and try it later tomorrow, but it's getting late now. I tried to switch the solenoid through the relay. Oh, relay feels loose. I wonder why that's so loose. Oh, it's plugged into a socket. I'm so silly. Okay. It was working earlier, but now when I have it wired, it's not working. I don't have this the switch wired in yet either, so these leads for inputs were not connected, so maybe that's a part of the circuit that it needs to have in order to function. I don't think so, but it's possible. I would have thought it would have triggered it, and we would have at least had it stop idle and then wait, where's the signal, right? Or if it's in the normally open or closed, whatever is wired for normally open and closed would take off. But in any case, no power in, so it wouldn't have. Ah, okay. Maybe that was it. All right. Tell you what, tomorrow's another day, as Margaret would say, which I hate. I hate it when she says that. I can trim the sides down. It's going to fit. It's really compact. I mean, everything is in there. It's really a mess. The backside's not too bad. It's got a few jumps. Got a lot of jumps, a lot of globs, but I laid it out multiple times, did the best I could. This will fit with the sound system in, and I should have smoke and I should have chuff in that board. So we could put this board in an engine, you'd have puff and chuff, and in the tender you would have a motor control board, power distribution, and a pair of buck boost boards. That's it. Then if you want the 4 sounds, that's another layer of power distribution, power conditioning, and then the sound system, and then the remote button box thing. But that would go either in an extended tender or into a auxiliary water tank tender. All right, so we have idle after 3 days. Good God. All right, be back later. Take care. Thank you. Hang in there. One small step.